Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are well. So in this video, we'll set up our Galaxy Watch Ultra on the trifold and make sure it all works as expected on an imported phone. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, so welcome to another video with my brand new Galaxy Z trifold. It's been a few hours and so far so good, but I do have a video where I'll give more in-depth impression of how I'm finding the device. But in this video, what I wanted to do was set up my Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is a 2024 version. I know the Chinese version of the trifold, I've had some people report about not being able to connect their Galaxy Watches, so I wanted to make sure that there are no issues on this particular one, as it's an imported Korean version. So I'm going to try and install the watch. It's currently set up on my Z Fold 7. So as you can see, it's got no connection there, so no Bluetooth connection. So I know on this phone, when I transferred all my files over, the wearables is already there as well, but I'm going to try and set it up now. So let's do this. Let's go start. So it's picking up, as you can see, it says here paired devices, previously paired Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and Galaxy Watch Ultra. That's not correct because all the setting was copied over from my Z Fold 7. So that's why it's showing this. So I haven't connected anything to this phone yet. So this is the first I'm going to try. So since it's there, I'm going to select on this one. So transfer watch to this phone. On your watch, go to settings, blah blah blah. Okay, I do not want to lose any of my data from the watch. Hopefully it doesn't force me to have to do a brand new install. Not sure why it's not finding anything. That one again. Okay, let's do what it said. Settings. Let's do it from here and see. So I've got something come up here. It says transfer watch, and so I'm going to try this. I don't want to reset the watch. Okay. So on the watch it says ready to transfer. It'll say pop up on the phone to help you connect. Okay, I'm still not seeing that. So it's not finding the watch. Hope it doesn't force me to do a brand new install. I'll lose all the information I have on the watch. Okay, it's now found it. Confirm. So I don't want to do anything optional. Nope. I have to agree to this, so I'll do that. Actually, this is optional. Okay. Allow. So it's saying it's finishing up, 100% done. Let's see what happens next. You're all set. Hope everything is here. All the downloaded watch faces. Not showing up yet. It's loading, so maybe it's there. Let's see. But the good news is you can see that my watch is now connected to my trifold. So that issue isn't there that, oh, it doesn't connect. Took a few tries, but got there. I mean, my watch itself hasn't resetted. All the stuff is still there. All my app is there. Yeah, all the steps or whatever, the details are there. And then when I go to the health section of the app, I should be able to just sync all the data over. I'll double check that as well. The thing is, it's not showing any of my watch faces here. These are all the default watch faces that you find. All the downloaded ones are coming through now. Good. More. It should be a lot more. Well, on my watch, as you can see, they're all there. So anyway, as long as I haven't lost anything from the watch, I can live with it. Okay, so I was gonna go to just double check the health app. Now it's there. Now it's asking me to start. Don't want to give any of this stuff. No, just say next. Allow access to alarms and reminders. Yeah, please. Okay. Okay, so restoring. So hopefully I've got the stuff that's synced should all be coming back. And I haven't lost anything. I haven't lost my watch data, watch faces. So I think, yeah, I'm happy. So let me put my watch on the restart. I don't have to keep entering the password. Okay, just to double check. Can't back up watch. I didn't say to back up, so I'm going to get rid of that. Digital assistant, no. Still restoring. Okay. Just checking on the Bluetooth thing to show the watch is connected. Yep. Connected for calls, details. Interestingly, it's not showing music. Normally shows calls, music, I think. Okay, anyway. So that's done, guys. The watch has connected. Let's just double check if it's restoring anything yet. No, still restoring. It says connected. Yeah, I think my watch faces are coming through. Like they're all coming now. Excellent. So just done a straightforward transfer without losing any data or having to reinstall the whole lot again. And obviously you have access to Google Play, so you could go download stuff from Google Play as well. Excellent. So at least that's one down. I'll have another video coming to try the NFC card, just to make sure the banking app works fine and the NFC card connects to here as well. This is it for this video. It was a quick video just to connect the watch and show that it works fine, which thankfully has worked fine. So yeah, we'll come back on the next video then. Please do give us a like and subscribe if you find this video useful. We've got more content coming on this trifold. Thank you. Bye bye.
So that's all for today, guys. We hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. There will be a lot more content on our trifold experiences, so do put the notification bell on for our upcoming videos. And if there is anything in particular you'd like us to cover, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section and we'll do our best to cover that topic as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.